Hey everyone, what's up? I'm Steph. Welcome back to day number 3 of our 21 days to a clean home challenge. Today we're tackling something that pretty much everybody has. Dirty dishes. Dishes are usually the biggest cause of mess in the kitchen, and kitchens tend to be the messiest place in your house. So it's really good to get a structured routine going with your dishes so that you always have dishes available to use and you're keeping your counters clear of dirty dishes, because there's nothing worse than having to come and try and make a meal or prepare something and there's just dishes everywhere. My dishes routine works like this. Every night I load my dishwasher, I fill it to the tip top, start it, and then I do any dishes by hand like pots and pans or things that don't fit in there. I get everything done, I wipe down my counters, so when I come down in the morning, my kitchen is clear and clean. Then in the morning, I unload my dishwasher and I put away any of the dishes that were drying on the counter. And then you have a kitchen fully stocked with clean dishes to use, and you have a place to put dirty dishes straight into the dishwasher. If you don't have a dishwasher, that's no problem. Some of the great ideas I've learned from you are keep a little bin underneath the sink. You can put dirty dishes in there, or maybe you store them in one side of the sink, or stack them neatly on the counter. Alternatively, you could do dishes every time you use them, but for me, it doesn't really work that way. I try to keep up with them through the day, but most of them end up getting done at night after dinner. We just finished our dinner, so now it's time for me to clean up the kitchen, get these dishes done, wipe down the counters, and the last thing I'm gonna do for my last check mark is shine up the sink. Let's get going. All done. These are gonna head to the wash, and my kitchen is clear and ready for tomorrow. This is also a really good habit to get your kids involved with. My little kids, even my 1-year-old, can help empty the dishwasher. It's not always pretty, but it gets them involved and they feel like they're helping, and kids love that. So the biggest take-home message here is finding a structure and a routine for your dishes that work for you. However it works best for you and your family, that's what you should do. Let me know how it goes. We're on day number 3. I know you're killing it. Let me know what the dishes routine in your house looks like, and it might just inspire someone else. See you tomorrow. Bye.
If you want to dive deeper into this challenge, head to my website, www.thesecretslob.com, and pick up the 21 Days to a Clean Home workbook. It breaks down the challenge day by day and helps guide you as you set up systems that work for you.